In this video, you'll learn how to buy and ship items from eBay to Nigeria. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the international purchasing process, ensuring that your desired items arrive at your location without any issues. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you wish to purchase. As you browse through the listings, pay close attention to the shipping details provided by each seller. Look for the section labeled Shipping on the Item page, where you can find information about whether the seller ships internationally. Some sellers may specifically indicate that they offer global shipping services, which includes delivery to Nigeria. Confirming shipping availability is crucial, as it ensures that the item can be sent to your location before proceeding with the purchase. Next, you need to prepare your shipping information. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Locate the addresses section where you can add a new shipping address. Enter your complete Nigeria address accurately, including the street name, city, and postal code. After adding this address, return to the checkout page when ready to make your purchase. During the checkout process, select your Nigerian address as the delivery destination. eBay will automatically calculate the shipping costs and provide an estimated delivery time based on the seller's shipping method. Accurate address details are essential to avoid any potential delivery issues. Once you have confirmed your order and completed the purchase, the seller will ship the item using the selected carrier. This may take some time depending on the seller's processing speed and the chosen shipping method. After the item has been dispatched, you will receive a tracking number via email or through your eBay account notifications. This number is important as it allows you to monitor the shipment's progress from the seller to your doorstep in Nigeria. To track your shipment, visit the eBay website and log into your account. Go to the My eBay section and click on Purchase History. Find your recent order and locate the tracking link associated with it. Clicking on this link will direct you to the carrier's website, where you can see real-time updates on your package journey. Keeping an eye on the tracking information is helpful to ensure that you are prepared for the delivery when it arrives. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.